13 facts about porn that will shock you. A 2014 study by the Max Planck Institute found that men who frequently view pornography have decreased brain cells, specifically in the right quadrant of the brain, making their brains smaller on average than those of men who do not view pornography. According to the Huffington Post, 30% of the material streamed on the internet is pornography. Pornography has been shown to increase marital infidelity by 300%, according to 2004 study in Social Science Quarterly. Men who view pornography are more likely to suffer from erectile dysfunction than men who do not use pornography, according to researchers from the Naval Medical Center of San Diego. Among men between the ages of 18 and 24, 70% visit internet porn site at least once per month as stated. Many people use porn to relax or relieve stress. It can cause more mental health issues in both men and women. According to a study published in 2013 by researchers in the University of New Orleans, these include anxiety, depression, insecurity, and body image issues. Though many porn users begin using porn which aligns with their morals and sexual taste, porn over time has the ability to alter sexual taste so that the user believes the acquired tastes are natural. Porn users who are addicted to porn have damaged and shrunken frontal lobes. According to this 2013 study published on the National Institute of Health's website, this can impede problem-solving abilities, researchers said. Studies report that people who use porn feel less love for their spouse or partner and are more dissatisfied with their spouse or partner than people who do not use porn, according to the psychology department at the University of Arkansas. The porn industry is very profitable. It makes more than the NFL, the NBA, and the MLB combined. From a news perspective, it makes more than NBC, CBS, and ABC combined. The more people use pornography, the more likely they are to believe that violence against women is acceptable, researchers suggest. The study which drew this conclusion also noted an increase in overall aggression that comes with the pornography use. Pornography websites receive more traffic and visitors every month than Netflix, Twitter, and Amazon combined.